Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Edge 40. For that, you want to go to your settings, go to display and then go to screen timeout. Right now it's set to 1 minute, but you can choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 30 minutes. And you can choose, well, whatever you like here, obviously. Personally, 15 seconds and 30 seconds are a bit too short. Everything above 5 minutes is a bit too long. I see a bit of a safety issue right there, but you can totally go ahead and choose whatever you like. We also have the attentive display, prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. You can turn that on. Attentive display uses the front camera to see if someone is looking at the screen. It works on device and images are never stored or sent to Motorola. So you can turn that on or off, whatever you like. Maybe you like your phone watching you. I don't know. Sounds a bit creepy, but it also might be really useful. So you can go ahead, choose whatever you like here, and then just go back and, well, use your phone as normal. And when you put it aside, and then it will like lock itself at some point. So that's how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Edge 40. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.